The U.S. Navy is on the brink of a major decision: who will build its next-generation fighter jet? In a battle of aviation giants, Lockheed Martin, Boeing, and Northrop Grumman have entered the race. Today, we'll dive into this high-stakes competition and explore what each contender brings to the table. The Navy's next-generation air dominance program has ignited a fierce competition, reminiscent of past battles between Lockheed Martin, Boeing, and Northrop Grumman. Lockheed Martin secured victories in the past, but the tides are shifting. The F/A-XX fighter, born from the NGAD program, is set to replace the Navy's aging F/A-18EF Super Hornets. These fighters will join the ranks of aircraft carriers, alongside the F-35 in the 2030. Lockheed Martin, America's defense giant, boasts a rich legacy with the F-22 and F-35. Their fifth-generation expertise positions them as strong contenders. But there's a catch: they've never built a carrier-based aircraft. Boeing, the third-largest U.S. defense contractor, currently produces the Super Hornets that the F/A-XX will replace. With two fighter aircraft in production, they lack stealth experience, but have intriguing drone technology. Northrop Grumman, the stealth experts, have a remarkable history, from the B-2 Spirit bomber to carrier-based fighters like the F-14 Tomcat. Their extensive experience in stealth technology could be a game-changer. As the race heats up, all three contenders have the skills to build the Navy's next-generation fighter. It's a welcome change to see three names in the ring this time. While only one will emerge victorious, we'll have the privilege of witnessing three distinct concept aircraft, each with its own potential to redefine naval aviation. The battle for the Navy's next-generation fighter is a testament to American innovation and prowess in the aviation industry. Who will emerge as the victor? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure: the future of naval aviation is set to reach new heights. Thanks for watching, and if you like our video, please like and subscribe to our channel.